Welcome to my class student. It's class 7. We are doing English Lit 1, Poem 2, The Rebel, and this is Lesson 7. In this poem, we are going to meet a person who does the thing totally opposite of what others do. When people are going to east, he prefers to go west. When people are sleeping, he prefers to remain awake. So the thing is that this is the characteristics of the rebel. They always do the thing opposite. The poem is written by DJ Enright. We will first know about the poet and then the poem. Let's start. This is Mr. DJ Enright. Mr. DJ Enright. Dennis Joseph Enright. He was a British academic, poet, novelist and critic. He was born on 11th March 1920 at Lamington Spa in United Kingdom, and he died on 31st December 2002 at London in United Kingdom. He was awarded the Queen's Gold Medal for Poetry in 1981. He believes in leaving the people free to make their own mistakes, to suffer and to discover. The thing is that what was his belief? He always used to say, okay, let people be free to do whatever they want to do. If we continuously tell them not to do this or prevent them from doing anything or correct them, so what will happen? They will become dependent on others. They will not dare to do anything that is new. So let people do their work, suffer and make mistakes, and then discover what is right and what is wrong. So in life also, don't be afraid of doing anything. Go through it. And if you are successful, say the success story to everyone. And if you are failure, to say the story of your attempt to everyone. Don't be afraid. Life gives us lessons. Life gives us experiences. So, Mr. DJ Enright has this belief, and this is a very nice belief, and we should follow this also. Whatever his poetry collections, The Laughing Hyena and other poems, which he has written in 1953, Addiction, that came out in 1962, Sad Iris, 1975, and Under the Circumstances, Poems and Proses in 1991. Now, we will go through the poem. Do you know anyone who always disagrees with you or your friends? You must have someone. If you find in your company around you, you will find one or two persons of this type, or likes to do the opposite of what everyone thinks they should do. This type of people also you will find. So these two type of people come under the category or come under this noun, that is the rebel. They are the common noun rebel, person who always do opposite things. Think of a word to describe such a person. The poet has already described such a person with a word, that is the rebel. Discuss with your partner some of the things such a person generally does. Now we will go through the poem, The Rebel. What are the characteristics of a rebel? When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. See, when everybody has short hair, he will let his hair grow long. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. So he always does the thing opposite. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. So when there is an interactive session in the classroom, or then rebel doesn't participate. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. When teacher instructs the class to keep quiet, to pay attention. It's the rebel who always created disturbances. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. See, he doesn't wear the uniform. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. So these are the things that rebel does. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. See how contradictory his thoughts and his actions also. When people are talking about cat, he talks about dog. When people are talking about dog, he talks about cat. So this type of person, what do you think? Are they very socially mingled person? No. They are destined to live an isolated life. Because nobody likes this type of people. The rebels always remain within a closed door. Because he wants to present himself in a very different way, in a very queer way, in a very strange and odd way. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. So you are seeing greeting is here, greeting, and here you see regrets. Greeting we are welcoming, and regrets we are just very much disappointment is there in us for not having the sun. We are regretting the absence of sun. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. See how different the rebel is. When everybody says yes please, the rebel says no, thank you. That means if something is offered to you, you people are saying yes, but the rebel will say no, thank you. When everybody will say no, thank you, the rebel will say yes, please. When everybody says no, thank you, the rebel says yes, please. It is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. So what the poet is saying, ki yeah, it's good if you have rebels around you, but don't be rebel, because this is not a good thing. You will not be accepted in the society. People will not consider you as their friend, and everybody will laugh at you at your back. So it's important to go through the norms of life, to do whatever the others are doing. It's not necessary always to show yourself as a rebel. Okay, so this is Mr. D.J. Enright. He has written this poem, and here in a very simple way, in a very very short and simple way, he has expressed the characteristics of the rebel, and it has become easier for us to understand who the rebel is. So enjoy the poem, go through it, say others about the poem, and please, if you find someone like a rebel, say him not to do it again and again. Here I will take a pause. Thank you. In the next class, we will do question answer of this poem.